Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano, and if you're new to the group, do me a favor, subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already part of the crew, salute. So we're going to be taking a look at the Cubot N1. This is a smartwatch that they did send over. To be completely transparent with you, the company did actually send this out. They wanted me to check it out, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it in a little bit more detail. This does have 5 ATM, which means it's waterproof. You can swim in it and stuff like that. You also do have heart rate monitoring. You do have calories burned, steps counted, sleep tracking as well on this smartwatch. So you're gonna get all the really awesome features on here, but let's just check out the build, the quality of it. Let's take a look at the unboxing experience. This is my first look at it as well. They didn't pay me to express any of these thoughts. These are my very own, thoughts and everything like that. So I definitely want to check it out right now, but do me a huge favor, hit both the like and the subscribe button. That means a lot to me. I definitely appreciate you for doing that. So, all right, guys, so we have this N1's right here. It's from Cubot, and we're gonna be going ahead unboxing this and seeing what's inside. I want to take a look at the build quality and everything like that. So I do wear the smartwatch that I do wear right here is the Timloo smartwatch, and it does also offer wireless charging and also that weather, which I do like on here, as well as the raise the wake, as well as additional sports modes. But this one is supposed to be the newest one from Cubot, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. It has this really nice black box. It does have the model and the color as well on the back, and you do have a scan your app right here. So let's go ahead and get the scan your app thing right here. Let's go ahead. I should have a QR scanner right here on this device. Let's go ahead, lower the camera shield. Let's go ahead, wait for that to load up. It does say like we have a scan option here. Let's go ahead and scan that real quick. And it should take me to like an app or something like that. So in the meantime, it does say you can click App Store, Google Play. And right here is the unboxing experience. So you can see we do have the smartwatch right here. This is how it would look when you take it out of the box. And you're getting this is the GloryFit app. So this is, I'm familiar with this. I've heard of this before. Let's go to the Google Play Store. Okay, it's taking me to like the web browser for some reason, so that's weird. So all you'd have to do is go into the Google Play Store right here, and then all you have to do is type GloryFit. Okay, cool, so I did that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hit install. Meanwhile, I'm gonna put this off to the side, wait for that to finish, and then we have the charging cable right here. So this doesn't have wireless charging, I don't think, but it does have this proprietary cable. If you lose this, make sure you actually label it so you know which one it is compared to your other ones. That's pretty much what I have to do when I look at all of these. But they do give you a really nice black, let me see, this is crazy. It's like a dark steel. It's not even silver. It's like a dark charcoal, really charred gray color. Let me see if I could get some more light on this thing. I don't know if you could see that, but it's like an anthracite gray. It's not even, you know what I mean? It's not even, let me see. So this is the power button. I'm gonna go ahead and take the sticker off right here. And then this is the power button. So let's go ahead and hold that. It's actually a button that we can press. So I kind of like that. And you can see this is the interface that we're getting. So let me just show you what that looks like. And let me heighten there we go, the brightness on there. If I swipe right to the left side, I get my steps right here. If I swipe again, I get my heart rate. One more time gives me the oxygen, sports oxygen, blood, and sleeping. You also do get weather on this thing and music controls as well. So you get that SP's O2, and you also do get that sleeping, and you do get the stopwatch messaging as alerts as well as training modes. So you do have a lot of training modes on here: working out, running, exercising, music controls as well. So that's going to be really important. You do have that sleep tracking as well as heart. This is going to be crazy. The only thing I wish this thing did have is wireless charging. Let me actually check to see if this does have wireless charging real quick. I don't know if it has to be flat or something like that. Hold on. Let me just make this completely flat. Alright, so it doesn't have wireless charging. I wish it had wireless charging, but those are some really cool modes. Now let's go into the app. The app should be open right now. And it says agree. So right here it says you can log in with a third-party app. So I usually just use Facebook or something like that. And then I'm gonna wait for that to load. But this even had weather, and it even had SpO2. And it also did have sleeping, and it had the weather, and it had a lot of features that I was actually surprised to see on here. So you could see sleeping, weather, music. Really surprised to see the weather on here as well. So let's go ahead in here. We could set auto start, and you could go ahead and look for the app. You're gonna have to allow it. There it is, Glory Fit. So now we can go back. So we can click next at the top. And then it says you want to be a male or female. And I'm going to click the ones that are right for me. It's asking me my height and my weight. And it's asking me for my date of birth as well, which is crazy. So let me just enter that in. Okay, cool. So then it's asking me to enter in my steps right here. So I always put like 8,000. That's like the perfect amount. And then you could select the device from your phone right here. So it says select it. It's going to search for it. It found it right away, and it paired up right away. And so now you can see we have the battery percentage at the top, the dial settings right here as well. So you get your custom dials from this. Wow, there's a large library of clocks on here. I'm definitely gonna have to use this. I'm gonna have to label the battery, the charging strap as well, so I don't lose that as well. You could also change it from the military time. Look at all these clocks, this is insane. Let's choose one of these ones. So let's see how quick it takes to load that on here. So you can see it's taking its sweet time. It's not rushing or anything like that. It's nothing that's really zippy or anything when it comes to downloading the watch faces. But if you have like a hot, 60 seconds, it looks like it's taking about an exact 60 seconds to load that. So it's almost done, and then soon I'll have that globe looking like the globe with the universe on the top of it, with the time, date, day as well. So I definitely think this watch is also offering a lot of cool modes on here. You can see that it's just offering a wide variety of modes on here. So you can see that automatically loads onto the watch immediately. And I definitely think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to put this on my wrist right now, and I'm going to start testing it. I may come back and do like a review of it in a little bit more detail. And by the way, I do apologize if you hear any background noise. By the way, hit the like button. I definitely appreciate you for doing that and showing your support to the channel. You can see it has a QBot right there on the strap. You can see it in words. It looks kind of cool. So it's just like a special added touch to it. Kind of looks cool. And it's a black strap. So that looks really cool. You can see we did have that raise to wake feature as well. And so inside of there, you also do get heart monitoring, so you can turn that on. You can see the highest rate as well. You could turn that on. You could turn on auto blood test, oxygen test. You could also turn on the call reminders on here as well. So you can have those turn on. You can have the SMS or the text messages turn on as well. And then you could also turn on different apps that you want to be reminded about as well. So you can see we have the raise to wake activated, and we do have other options on here. Do not disturb on here as well. So you can activate it to not disturb you for a certain amount of time. Like if you're in a meeting or something like that, shake to take a picture can be activated on here as well. So you can do that. Thanks. So you have that option as well to do that on here. So I definitely think that's pretty cool as well. So let me get out of there. Universal settings, screen on time. You can change the hour right here to 12 hours instead of. So now it's going to be the 6:40 instead of that 18:40. And then you can change the languages. So these are all the languages that you get: English, Dutch, French, Italian, Portuguese, Indonesia. You don't get Korean. You don't get Korean. You don't get. But you can see right here, we do get all these languages right here. So I just want to throw that out there. Well, maybe one of these are Korean. I just can't read it. I'm not sure, but let me know if I was right or wrong down in the comment section. But I definitely like the first impressions of this thing, and it does give you your targeted plans. You do get your, let me go back here, your target steps. You get your weekly access where you can track your weekly progress. Once we do that, once we set that, then I'll come back and do a follow-up video as well. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm also gonna show up in the comment section, but I definitely like the Qbot N1. I definitely like all the different clock faces that it does have as well. It's pretty lightweight. It feels really, it looks like it has a really nice solid watch face on it. This has a nice steel material to it. Feels pretty premium, but let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys later. I'll get right back with you. But yeah, I'm saying, let me know what you guys think about this smartwatch as well. Peace. Later, crew.